The next day during lunch, Alex found themselves typing "where to start smart home" into Google. Links related to smart bulbs popped up first, followed by mentions of apps, home automation systems, something called a smart home hub. Browsing through information online, Alex saved product pages, compared features, and made notes on potential brands. The research stage, having done their part to gather information, Alex was eager to dive into the practical side of things. Time to take action and make some choices. Now this is where the adventure really begins, taking what you've learned and applying it to real-life situations. It can be both exciting and challenging, and here's why. It's the fun part. Picking out new gear is always a treat, whether it's trying out the latest tech gadgets or finding clever solutions to everyday problems. There's just something satisfying about seeing products come to life in your own space. The challenge. Making decisions about which products to get and how to set them up can feel overwhelming. You might get lost in the sea of options and details or feel unsure about how everything will work together. The learning curve. Setting up new tech can be a bit of a learning curve. You might need to follow instructions, watch tutorials, or troubleshoot issues as you go. It's not always easy, but it's also an opportunity to expand your tech skills. Decision time. With research complete, it's decision time. Should we go for smart bulbs, voice control, or maybe even a smart home hub? These choices are important because they lay the foundation for our smart home journey. Each option offers unique benefits, and it's essential to consider what matters most to us. Let's explore the possibilities. Smart bulbs. Smart bulbs are a fantastic starting point for anyone looking to dip their toes into smart home technology. They offer several benefits, making them an appealing choice for many. First, smart bulbs are relatively easy to install. They simply screw into your existing fixtures like regular light bulbs. Second, they provide convenient ways to control your lighting. With smart bulbs, you can turn your lights on and off remotely using your smartphone or voice commands. You can also set schedules for your lights, allowing them to mimic your daily routine, which not only adds convenience, but also helps save energy. Third, smart bulbs offer energy efficiency. Many smart bulbs use less energy than traditional incandescent bulbs, resulting in lower electricity bills over time. Fourth, they allow for customization. Smart bulbs come in various colors, allowing you to choose the perfect ambience for any occasion. You can select from preset color palettes or create your own. Fifth, smart bulbs often integrate with other smart home devices and systems, enabling seamless control and automation within your home ecosystem. This integration allows for advanced functionalities, such as voice control through assistants like Alexa or Google Home. They also work with home automation systems, allowing you to create automated routines based on your preferences or environmental factors. Price-wise, smart bulbs typically range from $10 to $30 per bulb. While they may require an initial investment, the convenience, energy savings, and customization options make them a worthwhile consideration. Voice control. If you're considering diving into smart home technology, voice control is another excellent option worth exploring. Voice control offers several enticing benefits, making it an attractive choice for many homeowners. First, hands-free convenience. With voice control, you can control your lights, appliances, and other devices simply by using your voice. This hands-free approach is particularly useful when your hands are full or when trying to perform tasks in hard-to-reach areas. Second, accessibility. Voice control provides an accessible way to control your smart devices for individuals who may have difficulty using traditional control methods, such as buttons or touchscreens. For instance, it can be beneficial for the elderly or those with mobility issues. Third, ease of use. Voice control systems are designed to be straightforward and intuitive. You can typically start by activating your voice assistant and then issue simple commands to control your devices. This ease of use makes it convenient for users of all tech-savviness levels. Fourth, automation capabilities. Voice control enables advanced automation, allowing you to create custom routines and scenes based on your preferences. For example, you could say a command to turn on your lights, adjust the thermostat, and play music simultaneously. Fifth, integration with other devices. Most voice control systems seamlessly integrate with other smart devices and systems in your home. They work with a wide range of products including smart bulbs, thermostats, security cameras, and more. This integration allows for centralized control and management of your entire smart home ecosystem. The cost of voice control varies depending on the chosen system and devices. Some voice assistants like Amazon Echo or Google Nest can range from $50 to $150. Additional smart devices will have their own individual prices. Hubs. Smart. Home hubs are central devices that connect and control various smart devices in your home. They offer several benefits, making them a compelling option for those looking to build a smart home. First, control and automation. Smart home hubs allow you to control and automate multiple devices from a single interface, making it easy to manage your smart home. You can turn on and off devices, set schedules, and create automation routines. Second, communication hub. A smart home hub acts as a communication hub for your devices, allowing them to communicate with each other and respond to your commands or triggers. This connectivity enables seamless automation and control throughout your home. Third, increased security. Many smart home hubs offer enhanced security features. They allow you to monitor and control your home remotely from anywhere. Additionally, some hubs support integration with security cameras and sensors, providing an extra layer of protection. Fourth, compatibility and integration. Smart home hubs typically support a wide range of smart devices from different manufacturers, allowing you to build a truly integrated smart home. They provide a centralized platform that connects various ecosystems, making it convenient to control everything in one place. Fifth, voice control. Many smart home hubs are compatible with voice control assistants like Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. This integration enables hands-free control of your devices and allows you to create voice-activated routines. The cost of a smart home hub varies depending on the brand and features. Basic hubs typically range from $30 to $80, while more advanced models with additional features can cost upwards of $150. Choosing what's right? So how do you decide what's right for you? Here are a few questions to help guide your decision. What are your priorities? Consider what aspects of smart home technology matter most to you. Is it convenience, energy efficiency, security, or something else? Determine which features align with your needs and preferences. What is your budget? Establish a budget range that works for you. Smart home devices and systems can vary significantly in price, so it's essential to set financial boundaries to narrow down your options. How comfortable are you with technology? Be honest about your technical skills and comfort level. If you're a beginner, start with user-friendly options and gradually expand your smart home setup as you gain experience. Start small regardless of the path you choose. Remember to start small and scale gradually. Take your time to explore the options, experiment with a few devices, and build from there. As you gain confidence and experience, you can expand your smart home setup to suit your evolving needs. Whether you opt for smart bulbs, voice control, smart home hub, or a combination of these technologies, the journey into smart home automation promises to be an exciting and rewarding experience. Remember to start small, plan ahead, and enjoy the process of transforming your home into a smarter, more efficient, and convenient living space. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please hit that thumbs up button below. If you haven't already, consider subscribing to stay updated with our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and happy automating your home.